boss, are you wondering how CNC produces its PC surge protector device? Come on and have a look. As you can see, all the components are made by ourselves. The whole automatic process from welding and gluing to ensure consistent quality of each product. Each product will go through CCD visual inspection and manual rechecking before it's packed and shipped. To ensure best performance, our testing lab is equipped with high-standard testing platform. Choose CNC Electric, your reliable partner in power protection. Hello boss, welcome to CNC factory of PV combiner box. The enclosure is made of high-quality ABS materials and injection molded for strength and waterproof.
Automatic process ensure consistent quality across each product.
Pre-install with custom components inside to fit your specific requirements. Choose CNC Electric, your reliable partner in power protection. Hello boss, today we are in the factory of our Eco-8 series DC circuit breaker. Let's come on and have a look. All the components are made by ourselves, including our PCBs. PCB is the core of each breaker. Here is the PCB's assembly line. Each product will go through multiple detection processes, so you don't need to worry about quality. These are our R&D labs. It's where the innovation happens here. Choose CNC Electric, your reliable partner in providing photovoltaic solutions.